No one can deny it, the corners of a freshly unwrapped rug are the worst. They curl up, creating tripping hazards and look unsightly. It seems like no matter what you try, those corners just won't stay down. Everyone always says they will never go down. Wrong. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to flatten those pesky rug corners and keep your rug looking perfect. Number 1, the ice cube method. This is probably the most popular method, and for good reason. It's simple and effective. Here's how you do it. Take some ice cubes and place them directly on the curled up corners of your rug. Allow the ice to melt completely, which will moisten and soften the rug fibers. Place a heavy object like a book or a piece of furniture on top of the wet corner to hold it flat as it dries. As the ice melts and the rug dries under the weight, the fibers will relax and flatten out. Use a hairdryer to speed up this process if you're in a hurry. The heat from the dryer will help evaporate the water more quickly while keeping the fibers in place. Number 2, train your rugs. Sometimes you need to train your rugs to behave. Flip the rug upside down so that the back side is facing up. Gently curl the corners in the opposite direction of the curl. This helps to counteract the natural bend that developed during packaging and shipping. Leave the rug in this position for a few hours or overnight. This method works by retraining the rug fibers to lay flat. Over time, the corners will naturally start to bend the other way and lie flat when the rug is flipped back over. Number 3, get a grip. For a quick and easy fix, try this tape method. Take some tape, stick it under the corners, press it down firmly onto the floor. Voila, instant flatness. And there you go. Say goodbye to those annoying, stubborn rug corners for good. With these methods, your rug will be lying flat and looking fabulous in no time. Happy decorating!